Hi, this is Nate Peterson. I am presenting today for group number 5 on our Chapter 1 presentation for Agile Continuous Delivery in the 3 ways. Also in group 5 is Lucas Rogers and Tyler Randall. And we'll just start off quickly and go right into it. We'll talk about, first of all, the theory of lean manufacturing. The theory of lean manufacturing, and this is a theory that originated in the product manufacturing sector with the Toyota Motor Company. And if you've ever owned a Toyota vehicle, you know that they have the reputation for being very reliable, which obviously will stem from their manufacturing processes and their ideas that go along there. But the theory of lean manufacturing is the theory of taking business processes that will optimize time, optimize human resources and assets, and productivity, and it will also improve the quality and level of products and services to the customers. And in the theory of lean manufacturing, the best practices that we want to see is to practice of eliminating waste, to build quality in, create knowledge, and defer commitment, and deliver fast products and respect the people that are involved and optimize the whole process. Now, going along with that, we have what's called the value stream. And the value stream is the whole process of delivering a product in the manufacturing process, whether that be products for goods and services or software, virtual products for a customer base. And how is this value created? It's created by delivering a production-ready product quickly without chaos or service disruptions or security or compliance failures. And involved with this value stream is things like lead time, process time, and Agile DevOps environment. And we'll go on to talk about, first of all, talk about the process time. And the process time is the time that it takes from when the work is started in a request to when the work is completed. And the lead time is the whole time from when an actual request is created until the work is completed. So the lead time actually includes the process time as part of the lead time as a whole. And with this, you want to have a good quality of work, and the quality of work will have a high percentage of complete and accurate work, and it'll minimize the need for reworking, and it is also a good, if these processes are followed, it's a good indicator of effective communication amongst all that are involved in the whole process. And the communication is key between all teams that are involved in the lead time for a product to make it to production environment. Now we'll go on to talk about the 3 ways. The first way in the 3 ways is a fast left to right flow of work. And to do that, we have to make work visible. And we can contrast that with, when we're talking about, the manufacturing process, we're talking about in the theories is from product manufacturing and putting those theories into software manufacturing. And with product manufacturing, you have a good visual indicator of how your process is working. With software manufacturing, you don't necessarily see those things because it's all done on computer screens in front of people's eyes. But the way to do that, to make your work visible, is to put on what's called a Kanban board to visualize work, where you can actually put work processes on cards or other physical representations of the work and move them from one section to the next to visualize how they're coming along. And that's the best way to make the work visible in a software development environment. And we want to reduce batch sizes, which is to, in the case of software development, is to reduce or implement a continuous deployment strategy so that the changes and enhancements you make are deployed directly and quickly into production without too much of a wait. And that also will reduce your intervals of work. And in that process, you need to involve stricter quality control so that you can put your changes or your enhancements out to a version control system, and they go directly to a quality control system that can be either automated or in front of human eyes, and get the work checked, and then optimize. And these are all optimized for global goals of the entire team. Moving on, the second way. Excuse me. The second way is enables the fast and constant flow of feedback from right to left at all stages of the value stream. And the second way requires that we amplify feedback to prevent problems from happening again. or enable faster detection and recovery. And so this will enable us to produce safer systems and where work problems are found and fixed long before a catastrophic failure has the potential to occur. And then the third way of the three ways is the creation of a generative, high-trust culture that supports dynamic discipline and scientific approach to experimentation and risk-taking. And this type of mindset will facilitate the creation of organizational learning from our successes and failures. And by being able to constant feedback in loops, as the image indicates here, we'll be able to better understand our process and be able to take risks better and perform experiments that help us learn faster than our competition, and thereby hopefully win in the marketplace. And that'll help us, win in the marketplace. We gain new knowledge through this, and everyone is always well aware of all the parts of the project. Not anybody is left in the dark as to what's going on in this process. And in conclusion, we've talked about the theory of lean manufacturing. We've talked about value streams. We've briefly gone over the three ways and our quality of work and how those all are contributing to one another. And the most key thing in this whole process is to have effective communication, and with that, we will all be successful in the process. Thanks very much, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and see you later.